Good morning, Miss Neville's math students. Here is our Friday math check-in. So today you should be finishing up your divisibility rules quiz. You want to make sure you get that completed by Sunday evening, as on Monday morning I'll be putting in zeros for any students who haven't completed those. Not only does your divisibility quiz need to be done, but you also want to make sure that you have your I know it assignments done. They are graded, and your Schoology assignments, your divisibility rules assignment should be done as well. They all need to be completed by Sunday by 8 p.m. Okay? Let's talk about what next week will look like. Monday and Tuesday will be normal days of class. You'll notice that we aren't in a live session for an entire 76 minutes. No, I usually teach you live, whole group, with a recorded lesson that I record while we're in there, from 12:26 to 1:06 on Mondays, and from 11:12 to 11:50 on Tuesdays. The reason why is because it's important with math for you to have a lot of guided practice, and so or an independent practice as well. So Monday we'll be doing some practice with long division still, possibly going over some of the answers that we got wrong on our quiz. And we'll also have some division word problems that we'll be working on, as that's what we're getting into next. We're then on Tuesday going to have another live session from 11:12 to 11:50. There'll be more practice with division word problems. I want to make sure you're becoming little experts with that. I'm going to have tutorials created for you that you can watch. And on Wednesday and Thursday, there will be no live math sessions. Let me say that again. On Wednesday and Thursday, there will be no live science math sessions. So that means you will have a recorded lesson that you can watch, a division word problems tutorial that I'm going to create for you. That's me teaching you some of the same ways, practices, and steps that we learned in our class on Monday and Tuesday. You'll then have a math gizmo assignment completed. On Monday and Tuesday, one of our homework assignments is going to be to make sure that everyone in class has created an Explore Learning Gizmo account. Thursday, you're going to be will also not be a live session. There'll be another recorded lesson where I'm going over how to divide with multi digits. There's a tutorial created for that one that I've taught to you, and you'll be having your dividing multi digits quiz, so we can start moving into decimals the next week. If you have any questions, please hit me up on a remind, or through email, or through my work cell phone number. Have a great Friday, guys. Make sure you have your math assignments done. Bye.